Last year, I got the chance to meet someone I've wanted to meet since I was a kid, Tom Savini. He's a pioneer in special effects makeup and a legend in the horror movie community. I've saved all of my issues of Fangoria Magazine over the years, and I asked Tom to sign this one from 1984 where he talks about his work on Friday the 13th, the final chapter. Spoiler, it wasn't even close to being the final entry in this franchise. I've made a lot of themed picture frames over the years, and this is one of my favorites. Plus, I finally found a use for one of my wooden Jason machetes I made a few years ago. Not only that, this frame inspired me to build a new personal website devoted to movies that I love. I was able to create it using Wix, the sponsor of this video. I'll have more about Wix.com later in this video and show you how fun it is to build your own professional website and get great results. And you can check out my new blog, my Movie Morgue. Hey, before I get started, I want to remind you to please subscribe to Woodworking for Mere Mortals and be sure to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. This project is basically made up of two picture frames that each have the same outside dimension, but the inside dimension on one frame is smaller. First, I'll rip these boards down to the width of the wider pieces. Here's a narrower piece that I ripped out first to show you why it's important to rip them after making the miters. Using the same stop block, the narrower board isn't the same length as the wider board. Now I can rip those narrower pieces down to size. I'll glue both frames together one at a time because I only have one strap clamp. But that's okay. If you're in a hurry doing woodworking, you're looking at the hobby all wrong. So here's both frames glued up, and they'll get glued together. But before I do that, I need to route out a little area for the machete and for some blood to drip. This will be the back of the frame. This ledge is what the artwork will drop down onto. So that back side is what I'm gonna work on. What I need to do is create a slot for my machete to hack into. So I want to remove this material here, the thickness of that blade. And at the same time, I want to cut out a slot here for the blood to drip. So with that crude cutout there, I'll clamp these together and see how well the sword fits. Not bad. I'm gonna use 1/8" plywood for the dripping blood, so I need to adjust my router a little bit shallower for that cut. Yeah, I think that's gonna do. Okay, now I can just glue these two frames together. By the way, have you ever seen the original Day of the Dead, 1985? I think that probably showcases the absolute best of Tom Savini's special effects makeup work. And of course, Tom Savini's acted in a lot of films too. Probably my favorite would be where he played Sex Machine in From Dusk Till Dawn with Quentin Tarantino, and George Clooney was in that movie. Okay, so this will slide neatly into that slot. I kind of think Jason's been hacking away at this for a while, and while I don't actually have a sword that I can replicate his blows, I'll just try to distress it on my own. Unfortunately, they didn't have any black foam board at the dollar store where I bought this, so I'll just spray paint it black. I don't do anything special to cut plexiglass. I just use a regular combination blade on my table saw and cut it just like I would plywood. This is a point driver. If you make a lot of picture frames, this is really handy to have. This little cleat will make hanging it on the wall a little easier. Guys, I want to take just a moment to talk to you about Wix, the sponsor of this week's video, and show you how fun it is to create your own professional, robust website. Maybe you've been thinking about selling some of the woodworking projects you make. Well, creating an e-commerce site using Wix's intuitive site editor is doable today. No experience necessary. Or maybe you'd like to create a gallery of your work for others to see. Or maybe you want to create a blog, like I did. For a long time, I've been wanting to create a blog to write essays and talk about my love for movies, specifically horror films that I've loved since I was a kid. If you want, you can check out the site that I created with Wix, mymoviemorgue.com. It was super fun building this. I chose a theme from the bazillions that Wix offers, and then I ended up completely customizing it the way I wanted, and that's kind of the coolest part. Wix offers total creative freedom to create something unique. Hey, if you share my passion for movies, especially the bloody, gory, scary kinds, keep an eye on my new site. And if you're inspired to create your own site, I highly encourage you to give it a try and just share what you love. You can set up a fully functional, professional-looking website today at Wix.com. Give it a shot. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this project. Custom themed frames are a ton of fun to make, and they really let you explore your artistic side. Just let your imagination run and get creative. Be sure to check out my new blog and the other links down in the description. And hey, be sure to follow me over on Facebook and Instagram for tons more stuff that you won't see here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, everybody.